If you get to the green and don't know what to do with your golf glove, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, if you're out golfing and you get to the green and you take your glove off, where do you put it? You just shove it in your pocket like an animal? That's disgusting. Now, I actually don't take my glove off that much on the green. I probably should. Air out my hand, air out the glove, but I don't, you know, that's the rebel life for you. But I actually do have a problem with this. This is my putter cover, and it's really big, and I never have a really good place to put it. Sometimes I'll just throw it on the ground, sometimes I'll shove it in my pocket, but this actually is a great putter cover. It's the Ready Putt, and you can moisten this top cloth right here and use it to clean off your golf ball. Now, what that means is that this part is wet, so now I don't actually want to put it in my pocket because it gets my pocket wet. Huh. That's science for you. So I wanted to figure out a way to hold on to this so that I wasn't throwing it on the ground, getting it dirty, maybe even losing it, which a lot of people do. And I picked up this. Now, it is specifically for golf gloves. As you can see right there, it says Golf Glove Caddy. But it's just a little belt loop, or a clip maybe, that kind of fits onto your belt. And then you can take off your glove and just stick it to this. Now, I am hoping that this will work for my putter cover too. It's actually really light. This is just kind of plain plastic here. It's pretty flexible, but seems decently robust. I have a feeling under abuse this thing could break, but you can see here it kind of looks like a lollipop. And then on this side, what we have is a Velcro disc. This is the hook side, not the loop side. So what you can do is just stick this on your belt right here. So there, I've got it right there. Now, if I take off my glove, just like this, and you'll have to use the fuzzy side, which is the little tab right there, I can go ahead and throw that on. Woohoo, look at that. My glove is right where I need it to be. Now, like I said, I don't often take off my glove. What I do take off is this putter cover, because this is really hard to putt with this on. Boom, just like that. Now, the question is, can I use the fuzzy side here to stick it on the glove? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Now I can putt, have my putter cover right there. Don't have to worry about losing it or walking off the green and being like, wait, where did I put it? I don't have to worry about putting it on the ground, getting dirty, and I can just tug on it, pull it off, and then have it ready to cover my putter again. So this is pretty awesome. I actually really dig this thing. It's pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.